Hi, I'm Charmaine Singleton, and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful ear warmer. First, you'll have to add beads and move it further so that we can work on it later. So now you make a slip knot. Insert a crochet hook in the slip knot and use a elastic band. Crochet along the elastic band, chain 1 and make 20 single crochets on the elastic band. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. Now you chain 2 and in each space you make 1 double crochet and 1 chain. You have to keep stretching your work because all the single crochets are very closely clustered together on the elastic band. This is basically a off mesh pattern. Now since you completed the row, chain 2 and turn your work. Now make 1 double crochet in the first space, 1 chain and 1 double crochet in the following space. As you keep repeating the rows, this is how it will look. And 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So they are 12 double crochet and 1 row of single crochet. Now chain 2 and now it's time to add the beads. So we can pull the beads forward, chain 2. Now just pull one bead forward and then yarn over and make a double crochet and one chain. Keep repeating this. Pull a bead in between, yarn over, make a double crochet in the next space, followed with one chain. Keep repeating until you complete the row. The next row, just make double crochet, one chain without any beads. I skipped that part, so now we are going to the third line where we are once again adding beads. Add beads to one line and skip the other line. Keep repeating this process alternatively. That's the way you should follow up until your desired size. This headband that I am making has 12 rows of beads and 12 rows without beads. This pattern is very simple, but it looks very beautiful. Adding beads make it look very attractive. You can use it as a headband as well, and it even serves as a lovely ear warmer. Towards the edges, the band will be closely knit because of the elastic band that we added, but on the hay it will look like a lovely mesh. So this is so unique and very stylish as well. I hope you are enjoying this tutorial with me. So you just keep repeating rows alternatively with beads and without beads. You cannot put beads in every row because one will come in front and one goes to the other side. this is a beautiful off mesh pattern. For this pattern I made 12 rows of mesh without beads, 12 rows with beads, and 12 rows again without beads. And I have made a red color one earlier, but of course we have followed different rule patterns for that, and this one is much simpler. Now we have finally completed both the sides of the mesh equal number. Now finally we have to attach the other side of the elastic band. So we will make single crochet along the elastic band, inserting the crochet hook in the mesh, and each space in the mesh we will make one single crochet until we complete the row. Now finally this beautiful headband is ready. Just with the help of your crochet hook, pull through and hide the yarn tail between your work itself. Now cut off the excess yarn, and here you go, it's ready, all set to be used. See how beautiful this looks. I hope you have all enjoyed this short tutorial with me. Consider to like, share and subscribe and be a part of my journey. Have a great day ahead, and thanks for watching.